No, Mama. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
Which letter, Diksha?
E. V. T. S. Z. U. U. Y.
Okay. Parvati.
Princess Blossom wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Parvati.
T.
Sirisha.
V.
Manvit.
T. S. H. N.
Abhigna.
P.
Yes, Papa.
Did you wake up
Yes, Papa.
telling lies?
No, Papa.
Let me see.
Yeah, Papa.
Shreyas, which letter that one? Tejas? Which letter?
P.
Very good.
H. I.
Very good.
P.
Very good.
N.
Very good.
L.
Very good.
Q.
Princess Blossom wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Princess Ruby wants to play.
Gagan? Which letter that one?
F. P. G. L. K.
Samarth?
Z.
Very good.
U.
How I wonder what you are.
Like a jam. Which letter that one?
Y. V. W.
Which letter that one?
K.
Very good.
A. Q.
Very good.
I.
Run.
Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a
Ashwin, which letter that one?
A.
Jeevit,
I. Y. C. Z.
which letter?
K.
Very good.
E.
Very good.